In the world of remote work, efficiency, accessibility, and consistency matter more than ever. And one tool that continues to play a huge role in remote productivity is the PDF. Whether you're collaborating with teams, exchanging files with clients, or organizing documents for your business, PDFs offer reliability and stability that many other formats can't match. In this video, we'll break down the biggest benefits of using PDFs for remote work and why they remain one of the most powerful formats in 2025. One of the strongest benefits of PDFs is universal compatibility. No matter what device your team is using, Windows, Mac, tablet, or mobile, a PDF always displays exactly the same. The fonts, spacing, images, and layout never change. In a remote setup where people work from different locations using different devices, having a file that stays consistent is essential. PDFs eliminate formatting issues and ensure that everyone sees the same version of the document. Another major advantage is professional formatting. PDFs preserve your design, making them ideal for sending proposals, reports, invoices, resumes, and manuals. You don't have to worry about misaligned paragraphs or rearranged images that often happen with editable file formats. Remote workers can confidently share documents with clients, employers, or teams, knowing the file will appear clean and polished on every screen. PDFs also offer strong security features, which are especially important when teams are working from home and sharing files online. You can add passwords, restrict editing, block copying, or even add digital signatures. These features help protect sensitive information such as contracts, financial data, and confidential internal documents. In remote environments where everything is shared digitally, having built-in file security brings peace of mind. Another huge benefit is the ability to create fillable forms and interactive elements. Remote teams often need to collect information quickly, whether it's a sign-up form, survey, onboarding document, or agreement. PDFs with interactive fields make it easy for people to type responses, check boxes, or sign electronically. This reduces the need for printing and scanning, which is especially convenient when everyone works from different locations. PDFs also support easy collaboration. Many modern tools allow users to comment directly on a PDF, highlight text, or add notes. This makes it simple for remote teams to review drafts, suggest corrections, and provide feedback without altering the original layout. When multiple people collaborate on projects, this feature helps maintain clarity and organization. Another reason PDFs are invaluable to remote work is their small file size. PDFs compress large content effectively, which makes them easier to upload, download, or share through email or cloud storage. When you're working remotely and relying on internet connectivity, smaller file sizes help speed up workflows and reduce delays. PDFs are also great for long-term archiving. Because they maintain the original layout and compress well, businesses often use PDFs to store important documents. For remote teams who rely heavily on digital storage, this format ensures long-lasting readability and easy retrieval whenever needed. Lastly, PDFs support e-signatures, an essential feature for remote work. Instead of scheduling in-person signings or sending printed documents back and forth, teams and clients can sign files digitally in seconds. This speeds up workflows, closes deals faster, and keeps business moving smoothly, even when everyone is working from different places. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. PDFs are one of the most reliable tools in remote work, so start using them to simplify your workflow, secure your files, and improve your productivity today.